Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to learn a unique case on division of polynomials using synthetic and long division method. Okay, sometimes it may happen that you have been asked to perform division on dividend, okay, and the divisor is not known, okay, it is unknown, okay, or in other words I can say only dividend is given to you and then the question says perform or divide this expression. Okay, now see here, in this expression you are only given with dividend, means px is known, okay, the dividend is a polynomial expression, okay, and without divisor, how is it possible you can perform division on this expression? Okay, so when you see this kind of questions, then uh, there is one rule to do these questions. It's not actually a rule, it's just hit and trial. Okay, what does it mean? It's just hit and trial method. Okay, now when you see these kind of questions, one thing is sure, that whatever divisor you are going to assume, it's going to completely divide this expression. Okay, otherwise every time they will give you the divisor when the unknown divisor is not going to be the factor of your dividend. Okay, what I'm trying to say, see here, this is the given expression, 2x cubed minus 5x squared minus 8x plus 15. Okay, this is my px. Okay, this is my px. Now I will assume some values of x and I will check if I put those values of x in this expression, what's going to be the value of this expression. Okay, so my main target is to get this expression value as 0. Okay, only then I can say that, okay, this is going to be the factor of this polynomial expression. Okay, what I'm trying to say is I will check if I put value of x1, so this expression is going to be 2 multiplied by 1 minus 5 minus 8 plus 15, which is plus positive 2, this is positive 17 minus negative 13, which is 4. Okay, this is not 0, means that this is not going to be factor of this polynomial, means this cannot behave as divisor. Okay, so rule out this possibility. Let me check for if x is 2, then if x is 2, 2 multiplied by 8 minus 5 multiplied by 4 minus 8 multiplied by 2 plus 15. So this is 16 minus 20 minus 16 plus 15, cancel, minus 5. Again, remainder is not 0, means this is not going to be the factor of this, or it cannot act as divisor. Okay, so this possibility has been ruled out too. Now let's see P3. Okay, so if I put value of x3, 3 times 3 times 3, 9 times 3, 27 minus 5 x squared, 3 squared, 9 minus 8x, 8 times 3 plus 15. Okay, so this is 2 times 27, 54 minus 45 minus 24 plus 15. Now combine the negative ones, positive ones, 969, this one 9690. Wow. Okay, so this is going to be the possibility. Okay, so now see here, when I put x equals 3, the value of this whole expression, it is 0, right? The value of whole expression is 0. Okay, these possibilities have been ruled out. So it means when I put value of x equal to 3, then px becomes 0. Okay, so what does it mean? So it means x minus 3 is a factor of of px. Okay, x minus 3 is a factor of px. Okay, so now this can act as a divisor. Okay, this can act as a divisor. Okay, so it will become dx. Okay, it will become dx. Okay, now see here, it will become dx. So now the question will become px by dx. Okay, it should be 2x cubed minus 5x squared minus 8x plus 15 over x minus 3. Okay, got it? So now you can do it. Okay, you can use synthetic division. Here it's a linear polynomial. So here the value of x would be 3, here 2 minus 5 minus 8 15. Okay, minus 8 15. So 2 will come here, 3 times 2 6, product, and here sum. 6 minus 5 plus 6 1, 3 times 1 3, minus 5 minus 15 0 0. So what's going to be your quotient? So px over dx would be 2x squared plus x minus 5. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Okay, so it may happen sometimes they won't give you divisor. So when they won't give you divisor and only dividend is given, just keep in your mind that you have to assume few values of x and you have to check on what value this dividend or px is going to be 0. Okay, so the value of x for which this px becomes 0, it's going to be the factor. These kind of questions will only be given when it's sure that there is going to be one factor that's going to completely divide the polynomial. Okay, because in some cases, if, if I write, for example, we have done some questions before where the divisor, it was not the factor. Okay, so but in these scenarios, you have to find the factor, and then that factor is going to behave as a divisor, and then you can perform the division using synthetic or long-term division. Okay, take one more example. Take one more example. Uh, Next example is px is given. Px is x cubed minus 5x squared minus 2x plus 24. Now, okay, let's use hit and trial method to find out the value of x for which this px becomes 0. Okay, so I will check for 1. For 1, it will be 1 minus 5 minus 2 plus 24. Okay, so it would be minus 7 and positive 25. So would be 18. 25 minus 7. So it's going to be 18, right? Now check for when you put x2, 8, 4 times, yes, 4 times 5, 20, minus 2 times 2, 4, plus 24. So positive 28 minus negative 24, 4. Okay, so px is not 0. Okay, so let's check for 3. Sometimes you can also, you need to check, so you can check for minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Okay, so I will check for first 3 or 4 positive values, and then I will check for negative values. Okay, so here 27 minus 9 times 5, 40, minus 2 times 3, 6, plus 24. So if you combine, this is going to be 50. This is going to 27, 9 times 3, 3, 9, 45. Okay, so this is going to be 51 minus 51, 0. Okay, now see here, when I put value of x3, then this whole expression, the value of this whole expression becomes 0. What does it mean? It means we have got the divisor, right? So value of x3, px becomes 0. It means x minus 3 is factor. Factor means it divides px completely. So I can say px by dx is x cubed minus 5x squared minus 2x plus 24. Okay, so here what I will do, I will perform division. Okay, and sorry, divisor would be x minus 3. Okay, now this time, because here we have, when you use this hit and trial method, and when you will get questions like this, always remember you will only get linear factor, because the first factor that you are going to get is linear factor. Okay, so the divisor in this case will always be the linear factor. There is no way that you are going to get the quadratic factor, okay, or quadratic polynomial expression. Okay, it can only be possible when you find two values. Okay, for example, if for example, okay, just example, if x equal to 3 makes this p x0, and x minus 3 makes this p x0, then what does it mean? It means I have two factors. One is x minus 3 and one is x plus 3. So in that case, my dx will become x minus 3 and x plus 3. Now it is quadratic polynomial. Okay, so I hope you got my point. Okay, so now you can perform division. Okay, whatever method you want to use. So here x minus 3, long division, x cubed minus 5x squared minus 2x plus 24. Okay, here comes, here x cubed, so x squared, x cubed minus 3x squared, cancelled out, sign changed, this is minus 2x squared minus 2x plus 24. So here would be minus 2x minus 2x squared plus 6x, sign changed, cancelled out, minus 8x plus 24, minus 8 minus 8x plus 24, sign changed, cancelled, 0. So your px over dx is x squared minus 2x minus 8. I hope this thing is clear to you. Okay, so you can do the same for this question. This question is your homework. Okay, so just write this expression and then put different values of x and check if px is going to be 0. So you can find one values and then you can make the linear factor. Okay, use that factor as a divisor and then divide this polynomial using synthetic or long division method. So I hope this video it has cleared uh, the error about unique case when the divisor is unknown and you are just given with dividend and the question says that perform or divide px using synthetic division or a long division method. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great time. Bye bye.